You want to lie down so we know where to place your hands during the push-up. So go ahead and lie down to start. We do two different grips. Some people have wrist pain, you could do a fist grip. Some people don't, you do a palm. Shoulders down, plant your feet on the floor. Now when you push up, you want to keep everything straight and strong. Abs tight, you don't want to point your butt out or bring it down. And keep those shoulders down. The second you don't keep your shoulders down, you start using your shoulder instead of your chest, and we're not going to work the chest effectively. Here we go. Blow out on the way up. Notice how he's nice and locked in here. He's not moving around. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. You want to go as far down as an inch off of the floor. That way you minimize injury on the shoulder. Keep your neck nice and straight. Look straight downward. Don't wobble around. Now we're looking nice and solid.